Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something super important in the digital world, types of cryptography. Now let's look at the main types of cryptography. There are two major types: symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography. In symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used to both encrypt and decrypt the message. But the problem is, both sender and receiver need to share the same secret key safely. Let's take a closer look at symmetric key cryptography using a real-world example. Imagine you have a locked box. You write a secret message, maybe your ATM PIN or a diary note, and place it inside the box. Then you lock the box using a key that only you and your best friend share. Now you send the box to your friend through a delivery person. The delivery guy can carry the box, but he can't open it, because only you and your friend have the key. When your friend receives the box, they use the exact same key to unlock it and read your message. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and get ready for our next video on asymmetric cryptography.